Welcome to Gul Knowledge Hub. Welcome my YouTube family to your own channel, which is Gul Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to study how to respond quickly, spontaneously and within short span of time. Some of the English learners might ask the question, ma'am, I am well versed in grammar. I understand the basic English words or even the advanced English words, but I have hard times when responding to the speaker. And this question may be more intense when you are communicating with the fine communicators. This might be because of your low verbal association, because of your low verbal fluency. There might be fog in your brain regarding verbal fluency. And in this video, I am going to share authentic and proven techniques to deal with this problem. Because this problem, what is verbal communication, what is verbal association, and what is verbal fluency? Verbal fluency means how good you are in retrieving the information from your mind and how well you are to express that information within short span of time. Because all the fine and the excellent communicators of English language or any language have these three significant aspects. Number one, content. Number two, access. Number three, express. Content means the content which is lying in your brain. Access means how fast you are to access that information in your mind. And last point is express. How fast you can express your content, your information and retrieve your information from your mind. If you have this capability, then you have verbal fluency. And if you have verbal fluency, you can easily communicate well with anyone. But if you are suffering or struggling with this verbal fluency, first of all, I tell you a method, excellent method, and the name of excellent method is controlled verbal association. Yes, dear audience, you are given a test here. You have to take this test to analyze whether you are having this verbal fluency or you are in a trauma of brain fog. Yes, you have to respond within 60 seconds. Within 60 seconds, and I will give you the letter. First of all, you have this 60 seconds test of you have to name as many words as you can from the letter F. Your time starts now. Pause this video and you have 60 seconds and you have to come up with as many words as you can. And then you have to go with the letter A. And for this you also have 60 seconds. And lastly, you have to go with letter S. In this way, this is called FAS. Letter F, then A, then S. You have 60 seconds for each and you have to come up with as many words as you can. And if you come up with 18 words or more than 18 words, it's excellent. But if it is below than 18 or 20 minutes, you are suffering from brain fog. You have to work on your verbal communication, verbal association. And now, tomorrow, what would be your test? You have to come up with names of fast food within 60 seconds. Record your voice. Record your voice and then listen to it, how many words you can pronounce. Because repetition of words is not counted. If you place that apple and apples, no, it's counted only one word. And in this way, you have to take your test. You have to practice at daily basis so that your verbal communication skills can be improved. Number two, method is follow up with questions. Yes, dear audience, this is an excellent method to follow up with questions. It means that if you are struggling to answer in a short span of time and you are not coming up with the exact or appropriate words, it means that you have to work on this follow-up technique. This is an excellent technique and you have to adopt it. It means that you have to apply the same grammatical structure and same information which is asked you in the question. For example, what's your name? My name is Gulnaz. Now you have same grammatical structure, and if you come up with same grammatical structure, automatically your fluency and your speed of answering the question will be improved. Number 3 is practice. Practice makes a man perfect. If you practice with follow up with questions, and number 2, if you practice with verbal association, controlled verbal association technique, you will certainly be fluent in English and you will not suffer from how to respond quickly, because responding a question quickly means that how much access you have to the content and how well you can communicate and how well you can express that content lying in your head and how fast you can retrieve that information from your mind. And this needs practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Number 4 and the last technique is repetition. Time and again, if you repeat the same things, it will be easier for you and you will be more spontaneous, you will be more quick, and you will be more efficient in answering the questions. So you have to take these 4 techniques, and after applying these 4 techniques, you have to comment me in the comment section that with letter A, with letter B, within 16 seconds you have to record your voice and then come up with this technique, and comment me in the comment section how many words you can retrieve from your mind. It should be above than 18. If it is above than 18, it means that you are progressing, because we are after progression, not perfection, because progression means that you are better from where you were, and you have to keep this thing, and in this way you can improve your answering and you can be more quick, you can be more spontaneous, and you can retrieve your information in the short span of time. With this positive note, we end this video. Do share, like and comment this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.